Minsky and we're here at Leo's Fun Zone at One Leisure and St Neots. I want to go on a self play with you. Let's go. Oh, we forgot something. Our shoes. Let's go and put our shoes off. One black shoe. Two black shoes. Let's go and put them away. But next, let's look at these amazing colours. Let's go and put them away. One shoe, two shoes. Look at these amazing colours. This is called a flower and it's one of my favourites. This is yellow. Yellow. This colour is green. Let's move on. Blue. This way because it's a vase. Red is so pointing to your lips because it's red. And orange is this, like half of an orange. Purple. I know this colour. This is the colour of the flower. My favourite. Let's go! Look, let's go in the self play. Before, let's take our height. And if you opt up to the arrow, that means you can't go in. Yes, you can go in. Look what I found. Can you see it too? Look, it's a blue circle, and in the blue circle is a crocodile. Wow, it's really soft. Let's pounce it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ah, there's another one. Number 2. Wow, there's another one. Let's see. There's one more. Ready? Look, there's one more. Number 3. My favourite. Let's go. Look what I can find. It's got there. Woo. Look, this arrow is telling us to go up here. But first, let's look at the monkey. Do you want to hear what a monkey sounds like? Like this. So you kick it. Ready? Help me, can you help me? Get your muscles. Come on, muscles up. Stop it. I want to go up here now. Look, this is the colour red. Step 1, red step. Number 2, orange step. Number 3, green step. Number 4 is light blue step. And number 5 is dark blue step. And in this little corner here is purple. Let's go. Ah! We need to go up here. It says that you can go down here. Let's go. Be careful. Fall down. And go. Oh look! There's a ladybird. On my face. Let's hug it. Look. Should we count its spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. There's 15 spots. Wow! Let's go over here. And this is called red. Now let's go. What's this, do you think? I think I know now. We spin on it like this. What do you do? Like this. Do you want to do it with me? Hold my hand. Are you ready? And now look what it says. Can you see that arrow? It's saying you have to go this way. Let's go up. These are called squares. They are black and white. Look what I can see. One of my favourite. A slide. White and blue. Let's go down it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Ah, splash! Oh, must be silly, old silly. Where should we go now? Let's go down here. Look at this. Do you want to jump over it? Ready? And let's climb on the... Ready? 1, 2, jump! Woo! Just stop it. But look at this. 1. Hi. Jump! Look at this. A snake. Snake, little one. You can press ready. Mind out. Woo! Woo! Oh, look what I found. A mirror. Look at yourself. And look, a bee. Oh, I love bees because they make honey for us on pancakes. Let's go this way. Where should we go? In this tunnel. This black cross tunnel. Let's go, be careful. Wow! 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 We ran through, finally. Look what I found! A little ball pit! Let's go! Who's over there? Ready? Steady? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Come in with me! Come on! Wow! Look at these little steps! 1, 2. Yeah! Yeah! Do you want to jump in? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! We've got a blue one. Look! Blue! We have got a bit of red and a bit of yellow. But mostly we've got blue and green. I've got a green ball. And I've got a blue ball and a turquoise ball. Look at these! Woo! Do you want to jump? Let's go. Bend your knees and up. Bend your knees and up. Yeah. Ready, set, go! Woo! That was fun. Let's go. Look, I found a spider. Let's see if we can find a spider's web. Where can we start? Oh, look, let's go up there. Look, there's a ladybird. Let's jump over it. Look, let's go on the slide again. Can you meet me at the bottom, please? Thank you. Ready, set, go! Woo! Ah! Ow! That was a bit of a splash there. Where should we go now? Let's go up here. Racer. Look, this poster says, what creatures can you see? I can see a dragonfly, a snake, a spider, but we're missing something. Where's the spider's web? I can see it. Is it this one? Look! Boom, boom. Let's go through it. Ready? Ready? Woo! Ah, can you come through it? Let's go out again. Have you been having fun? I have, and I want to do some more things. I see climbing. Let's do it. Let's do green, and then orange. Orange, I'm standing on orange, and then orange again, and then we're on the top. We're not going to jump down, so we're going to climb down like this. So if we get down the hill, do you want to do this one? Let's go! From up here, the highest you can do, and get up. It's on orange. Yeah! Let's try again. Silly. Oh my gosh. Now I'm doing it. Oh, silly. Where do you want to go now? Let's see what we can find. I can line, a circle, and I've got, it looks like a fist to me. It is a fist. Let's see, we're going to hang on the next one. Look, there's another fist, but it's more red. Oh, and it's on a circle. Let's go, we can see one more fist. Look, there's one more fist, and that is an orange fist. Wow, do you want to jump on them? Look, we can see lots of things in here. But look, I can see 4 different colours here. Blue, yellow, red and green. Let's see. They're lovely. So we go in. Let's go. Wow, look at these. They're amazing. This is a lion and this is a mane. We need to put this lion back in so it looks like a mane. Let's do it. Ah, very hard to do it. I did it. Let's do the parrot now. Yay. Let's go. In like this again. Oh. Wow, we did it. Let's follow Leo's paws. Look, it's leading us down here. Let's go. Mind that will be. Look, it's showing us to go up here. Let's do it. Oh, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and 5 step. Wow, it's amazing. Look, we got a little slide. It's a bit wet, but let's go together. Are you ready? Set, go. It's quite wet, but it's lovely. Woo! Where do we go now? Let's go again. That was a little. You want to see yourself? Let's go again. Let's jump. Let's jump this time, yeah? Ready? Jump. Yeah. Now, look, the colours again. Let's jump up this time. Look, do you want to meet me at the bottom? Go on then, and I'll wait for you. Ready, set, go! Wow! I'm shooting! I'm here with you again! We've got a wall behind us, look! I want to see the shapes and colours. Let's have a look! Look! There's rectangles, there's squares, and look, there's even little circles on top. Do you want to smash it with me? What colour are they, do you think? We've got a red, we've got yellow, we've got blue, and that's the colours we've got. Do you want to smash it with me? Pretend you're falling, and like this. Yeah! Upsie! Do you want to do it again? I think we need some water to hydrate. Should we do it together? Let's do it. Open the tap and have a drink. Oh, It's much better. Lovely. Oh, I've had so much fun at Leo's Fun Zone at One Leisure St Neots. Have you? He said yes. Well done for being here with me. If you want to see more videos by me, check out Minsky. Bye.